Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook business page. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So right now I am going to block someone from Facebook page. So I am scrolling down to the left side and here you will get settings. Click on it and now scroll down again. And now you have to click on people and other pages. And here you will get all the people whose people like her page. So if I want to block someone, we can select them, and after that you have to click on the settings icon, and from here you can remove from people from this group. From here, remove from page like. Also you can ban from page. You cannot directly block someone from your Facebook page because there is no option to block someone. So we can remove from page likes and we can ban from page. I am selecting only one people and now I am clicking on ban from page, and here we can see order like to ban. If you really want to ban, then you have to click on confirm. So this is the way how you can block someone on Facebook business page. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.